Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my video. As you can see from the title, this is a haul. So yeah, you guys, I'm trying to get this thing right. Like honestly, in this video, I'm not editing nothing. Whatever you get because I just want to show you guys this and actually put it up. So I'm coming up here with no makeup on, nothing, none of that. So today is actually Wednesday, July the 17th, and I'm trying to put this video up, have this video for y'all sometime tomorrow, Thursday on the 18th. So yeah, so hey guys, how you guys doing? How's your week been so far? So yeah, I just wanted to come show you these things before I put it up, and I really want to show y'all some of these cool things that I got. Like I said, this video, it seems like I need to scoot it back some. Yeah, I'm not editing this video. I'm not. It's just being real because I just want to go ahead and put this out. But on another note, I just want whatever mess you see, just excuse that mess, y'all. It's just been one of those weeks. So we're gonna get right into it. So just a few stuff that I got today. This thing look like it's leaning, and I hate when it does that. Like, I need another tripod. So, yeah, it's a little better. But anyway, let me show y'all a few things I got. So, today from Family, I got I just only got one thing. This is this Wet n Wild Lash Out Loud Max Volume Mascara. So, it's supposed to give you like 10 times the volume. I paid $5.35 for this. It was $5, but including taxes, $5.35. So I'm really curious to try this out because I did throw away all my mascara because I had the mascara for the longest. For some time, over a year, over 3 months in which you're supposed to keep it. I'm not going to open this one up. I'm not going to make that mistake again. And I do have a lash now, but I really don't like it too much. It's okay, but it's not like better than some of the mascara that I have. So yeah. Next, I got is some stuff from Roses. I only got a few things, like this shower curtain. It's not nothing interesting, just a shower curtain. But I want to show y'all this fingernail polish that I got. It's just a yellow fingernail polish called Flicker. Just a simple yellow fingernail polish. I've been trying my best to look for a yellow fingernail polish and I have no success. So I cannot wait to use this. Because I'm like, I cannot go this summer. It's not going to be a hot girl summer without any yellow fingernail polish. Like, I had every color except for yellow. And then the last thing I got from there was just this jumbo camp chair. Pretty sure everyone has one of these. These were $10.99. This is the large one. It's the maximum capacity of 300 pounds. So yeah, I paid $10.99 for that one. I do have one already, but it's outside and it's tearing up. And I need another one for our little school get together, a class get together, which is supposed to be this weekend, but it's gonna be, they moved it to next weekend because people was complaining like always. But anyway, I'm gonna move on. And I went to Dollar General and I got a few things from Dollar General. I got these, I feel like I got more than this, but that's all I see. Yeah. Well, anyway, I got a few of these things. I think it probably is this. I got the Star Kiss tuna creation. I had 5 of them. I ate one, which was the, let me show you, you see it right here in the package, the ranch kind. This was really good. I thought this in a gosh, you know, because I put it here because it's not gonna have my room smell like tuna. But I got the sweet and spicy kind. I got the hickory smoke. I got the lemon pepper, my fave. And I got the hot buffalo style. And I just eat them out the package. Only thing I do to mine is I add mayo. But for some reason, I like mine with mayo. I know you're supposed to eat it just like that. But to me, it tastes better with mayo. So I just add mayo to it and I just eat it just like that. And that's what I ate for my dinner tonight with the smoothie. because I'm trying to eat better. So next is I have these little 3-piece bar 300 3-piece. These little clamps like this, because for a hairstyle I have in mind that I want to do. That well, I wanted to do this weekend, but I am still gonna do it because I'm ready to take these braids down. So yes, I'm about ready to take these things down. And next I have is they have in Dollar General, they have some Dollar Sheet masks. I bought 3 of them. It's like maybe 6 of them all, 6, 7 of them all. I only got 3 just to try it out. This is the Sit Back and Relax Sheet Face Mask infused with lavender I cannot pronounce these words. I get tongue tied so bad. Next is this Beauty Booster Sheet Mask infused with aloe vera essences. I can't. Last we have the, did I just pop my, whatever. Fresh Start Sheet Face Mask infused with green tea. So those were $1. I never tried them before, so I'm very curious to see how they work. So last thing I got from Dollar General is a I'm trying to put these plastic bags somewhere. Is a Bella Curls Coconut Whip Cream Leave-In Conditioner. My favorite conditioner. This was $5.50 at Dollar General. Usually they have it on sale, but I just went on ahead and got it. This is like my favorite leave-in conditioner. My fave. So yes, and this is the Bella Curls. Also is my favorite hairline besides besides the whole Garnier, but this is one of my favorite hairlines as well, from If You Natural or Relax. So last thing I did got, and this the reason for this haul, is from Fred's, because if you didn't know, maybe in certain areas Fred's are closing a lot of their stores down. Like I was reading up, there was like 500 something stores, and after they close a lot of them down, it's going to be like 200 of them left nationwide, wherever they located at. So the Fred's down here is closing, and my town is closing, which I'm not even surprised by, because I'm not shopping at Fred's, because for when Fred's is high, they are really high. I don't know why, but it's like they are too high for the competition that they have. Like, come on now. But they was having a sale, so I did got some things. We're gonna go ahead. They put everything in this little bag right here, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I did got some cat food. I got 2 of these Frisky Party Mix cat food, and I think I paid $1. I have my receipt right here. I paid $1.05, and it was originally $1.75, so I saved 70 cents. I got the Temptation ones. I got 2 of these. These are the mixed up, and this is the Seafood Melody. So these are the Temptation ones. I paid $1.11 for those. Yeah, original $1.85. I saved 74 cents. So yes, next I got is some cotton ovals. These things were 88 cents. Originally $1.75. Saved 87 cents. I just wanted to try them. I just seen them and just got them. So next I got is this exfoliating bath sponge. This right here was 75 cents. Originally $1. Saved 25 cents. Maybe I should have put this in my lap. So next I have, let's see. Well, I don't need to show all of them, but I did want to take all of them out. But I don't see the other one. Can't food up out of here. I told y'all I ain't adding nothing. So next I did got this nail files. I got 2 of them. Paid 50 cents for this. Original price $69. Saved 19 cents. Then I got this hand sanitizer with the thing. These are like the Bath and Body Works, y'all. But I don't really like the Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. I just like the idea that they have the thing you can put it on your keychain where it can be much easier for you. I can put it on your purse or whatever. So I do like this, but I just don't like Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer because it's just too overwhelming. But I did pay 90 cents for this. Original price 150, save 60. But I did get 4 of these as backup. So these are, I paid 60 cents a piece. Originally $1. Paid for 40 cents of, no, save 40 cents of this. So I got 4 of these. So let's go on to the next one. I got some hold up. Got the other one. I should have got more of the hand sanitizer. Should have got more than those 4. I should have, but I have so many hand sanitizers. I did got the Cold and Hot Medicated Path methanol 5% pain relieving things, like a group, I guess, for icy hot. Yeah. So I paid, how much I paid for this? 60 cents. These are originally $1 and I paid 4. Save 40. These have 5 in here. Yeah, 5 patches in 1 reusable pouch. So yeah. Next I have is some shampoo and conditioner. This is the Pantene Pro V Blend Choco shampoo and conditioner. It looked very interesting. I like the little pumps. So I'm very curious to see how it looks like when it comes out in the pump. But I do like the little pumps that they have. And I love Pantene Pro products. So yeah, these are the Choco. I never use any Choco kind, but I didn't need any more hair products. But yeah, I got some. And these, I paid $3.60 a piece for these. These are originally $6. I saved $2.40 for those. Next I have is this Emerald Smooth removes hair at the roots. Hair removes hair quickly and easily for face, upper lip, legs, arm, underarm, bikini area. Faster than tweezer, lasts for weeks. So I paid $6.99. Originally $10. Saved $3. So next I got is this Simply Beauty Ultra Suction Pore Cleanser. And I had to get this one because I have a lot of pores and blackheads and stuff, and I think this will be really, really good for my skin. It comes with four things right here. If you can see in the back, it comes with 4 of them. Remove blackhead and whitehead, reduces fine lines, stimulation skin and regulation. Yeah, it's supposed to be powerful suction. I paid $10.49. Originally $15, save $4.50. I have 2 more products. Next I bought this Simply Beautiful Facial Stimulation, refresh and rejuvenate skin, diminish the appearance of wrinkle, helps to reduce the appearance of under eye baggage. This is how it looks like. So it's like a vibrating thing. I paid $6.99. Originally $10, saved $3. And the last thing I got is this cordless LED light up vanity mirror. It looks just like this. So it has its own light up. You're supposed to put batteries in here. So I'm very curious excited to try how this works. This was originally $15.99, paid $11.19, saved $4.80. So yeah, you guys, if you have any, that's the end of this haul. If you have any question about anything that I did, because I spent $58.14, saved $27.35. But yeah, you guys, if you have any question about anything in this haul, please feel free to let me know. You want to know, see me use it for the first time, let me know. Take it out the package. That's why I said it's going to be up tomorrow, so that way I can have that video ready for you guys whenever. whenever. So yeah, guys, if you have any comments, leave in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until then, you guys, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.